Hello, I'm Laura Bouda and I'm representing P&R Textiles. I'm a designer at P&R and responsible for the operational developments of research and development projects, having more than 20 years experience on the active sportswear market. The key points on our presentation are a brief introduction of our company. Then we will speak about the importance of fitting in the sports business, about the BodyPass project and our pilot, and the potentialities of using 3D data. P&R is a Portuguese textile company with nearly 40 years of experience on the textile market. It's focused on engineering technical sports garments for major brands in the field of active sportswear and competition wear. So that you can get to know us a little better, we'll share a small corporate video.
I don't know what version we on. Name mnemonic.
We are fully dedicated to 100% technical sports garments, such as running, track and field, cycling, rugby, swimwear, fitness wear, as well as other collective and individual sports. Competition wear developed by P&R enabled high performance to several thousands of Olympic athletes since Atlanta '96. Sport garments require precise fitting, especially in this market segment aimed at high-performance athletes. The importance of this development is related to the fact that garments worn by the athlete influence his performance, achievements, and results. The process of design and engineering of functional clothing design is based on the outcomes of an objective assessment of many requirements of the user, as physiological, biomechanical, ergonomic, and psychological. All these requirements have crucial significance when designing garments for Olympic athletes, since the smallest detail can have influence on gaining a few extra seconds that can lead up to a medal. Badly fitted clothing can cause friction and injury. Loose shorts can cause drag on the pedaling motion. A tight top can prevent fluid movement, among so many other examples. All these aspects explain why the fitting is so important in the sports business, and BodyPass represents a useful tool that will assist us in achieving a perfect fit more efficiently. Any product in development, such as for example a cycling short, can be constructed from several different components, which are carefully selected and tested before being assembled into a prototype. The components are tested in this example for muscle support, material breathability, antibacterial and perennial protection, UV properties, comfortable finishes. The prototype is then tested to guarantee that the optimal fit has been achieved, and once validated, the order will go forward to production. Due to the years of experience and the ability to innovate, gained from all the difficult tasks brought on by our customers, P&R has been able to surpass successfully our clients' most challenging expectations. After this introduction, which was relevant to understand the importance that this project has to P&R, we will talk about BodyPass. Our main role is to test the API ecosystem developed by BodyPass for processing and exchanging 3D data and demonstrate their usefulness. Our intervention in the project is as an end user, reporting the anonymized information in a secure manner respecting privacy protocols. BodyPass tools enable to retrieve accurate metrics for the development of sports garments, reducing the amount of prototypes needed to achieve a perfect fit for customized products. For this project, a pilot was developed for the consumer goods sector within the sports segment. This pilot aims the development of a capsule collection for a professional cyclist team and consists of 6 steps, from performing the body scan of the athletes up to the testing of the prototype and the final delivery and use in real context. We invited the professional team Rádio Popular Boa Vista to participate in this pilot with us. The objective was to create their cycling jersey and shorts, what we've called the capsule collection, perfectly fitting each athlete. It was explained the purpose and objectives of the project to the athletes, as well as the confidentiality of their data, and both parties signed the informed consent to participate in the pilot. So the first step was to perform the body scan of the athletes with our in-house 3D body scanner. This process would allow us to test all the BodyPass tools, from the exchange of the data to the results obtained. On step 2, the 3D body scanners were sent to IBV through BodyPass APIs to be processed. Our goal was to retrieve accurate 3D human models and metrics for the development of the cycling garments. Then on step 3, we developed a capsule collection for the team, consisting of a cycling jersey and bib short. On step 4, the data obtained from BodyPass was inserted to P&R's 3D pattern making software, and we adjusted the clothing patterns to each athlete's measurements. This process allows us to reduce the amount of prototypes needed to achieve a perfect fit, improving the efficiency of the process. The design of the garments incorporated all the team sponsor logos, and we were able to study the correct positioning of the logos on the 3D pattern making software. The 5th step was the production of the cycling garments, and the 6th and last step was the delivery of the garments to the athletes. The API ecosystem developed by BodyPass was used for processing and exchanging 3D data in a secure manner respecting privacy protocols, allowing A. to process the 3D data obtained with our in-house 3D body scanner in order to retrieve accurate 3D human models and metrics for the development of sports garments. In this way, P&R reduces the number of prototypes needed to achieve a perfect fit for customized products, improving the efficiency of the process and reducing the cost associated with this development process. B. Allowing access to average 3D information from specific target consumers, for example by country or age. This is interesting if you are penetrating new market segments, since it will provide extra information so we can adjust the product to the fit of the intended market. Such an example could be to prepare a winter bike collection for athletes from the north of Europe. where people would normally be taller than our local athletes. This statistical 3D data could transmit pertinent information that will help in the development of the collection, having in concern the necessary requirements. Looking to the future, BodyPass represents the next step in the secure transmission of 3D data between sectors, improving the ability of customization. A possibility to have access to a customer scan and metrics from any part of the world, even taken in another company. That will be used to produce an in-house garment perfectly fitting this customer without the need of fitting travels. This takes even greater importance and relevance when we consider the sustainability in the textile sector, with the concern of the cost reduction, the bedding 4.0 industry, and the digitalization of the segment with the growth of the digital markets. On that final note, we conclude our presentation. We thank you for your attention, and we would be happy to answer any questions you may have now.